excited?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Coyote hunting.
Yep. Have we ever done this before?
No. We haven't ever done this before.
What do you think our chances are?
50 out of 100.
So 50-50?
Yep.
Okay. Are we going to be happy no matter what?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to have fun no matter what?
Yep.
We're going to learn?
Maybe.
All right. So we're doing a coyote hunt with some friends of ours from church, another father-son duo. And today it is just myself, Big Honker, and Little Quacker. That's just the two of us, so it's going to be a father-son double. They have their permission and the equipment for coyote hunting, and as I've said, this is our first crack at it. And from everything that we've heard and seen, coyote hunting is pretty fun. So we'll see what happens. Either way, being out in the field is way better than being out in your office. So here's having fun.
You see where that little inlet is right there?
Yep.
That's really not an inlet. Just the berm goes around that far. See the berm here?
Uh-huh.
Just find a low place in the berm or a place where you can hide above the berm. And I'm going to set up somewhere here out by this brush out there.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Responding. They're just not coming. Let's hope. Got a few more minutes left, and then we're gonna have to call it a day. Let's hope. I'm shooting. Shoot, wait. Missed fire.
there she be, folks. We did not get a dog. We had a blast.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, we had a blast.
Good. We're actually looking at possibly getting our own call to go do some coyote hunting on our own. As you barely saw on the film, there was a coyote straight ahead of us by about 100 yards. I had it right in my crosshairs and pulled the trigger, and you heard the distinct click instead of a bang. And then Pat and Deacon started opening up, but they were about 160 to 180 away. We were kind of in a semi-U at the one end of the lake. I was surprised to see them where they were, because everything that Deacon had been telling me, they were going to come around the point, and I was laying on the berm kind of facing that way. And then all of a sudden I go to Reagan and then look, and it's straight out from me. Never had a malfunction before, so that's kind of weird. And we'll try it again next time, right?
Yep.
All right. Well, for Big Honker
And Little Quacker.
we'll see you later, folks. So this is what I was shooting for the hunt. And there's the bullet all the way on the right. And yeah, that's what was the problem.